Imagine a place so vast, so mysterious that it's capable of sending signals that we on Earth can barely comprehend. Welcome to the enigmatic realm of space, a seemingly infinite expanse that holds countless secrets, including an array of puzzling signals. These transmissions, reaching us from the farthest corners of the universe, are not just intriguing, but also perplexing, forcing us to question our understanding of the cosmos. From the birth of radio astronomy, scientists have been captivated by these cryptic signals from space. They're like cosmic whispers, barely audible amid the cacophony of celestial noise, yet distinct enough to pique our curiosity. What are these signals? Where do they come from? And most intriguingly, are they messages from some extraterrestrial civilization, an attempt to reach out and touch the fabric of our existence? These questions are not mere musings of science fiction enthusiasts. They are at the heart of modern astrophysics, driving research and leading to some of the most fascinating discoveries of our time. Scientists around the world are continually amazed by these signals, unearthing new ones that challenge our understanding and push the boundaries of what we thought was possible. In the vast cosmic ocean, these signals are like messages in bottles, floating aimlessly until they reach our shores. Some of these messages seem to be simple cosmic chatter, while others are so bizarre and inexplicable that they might as well be coded messages from alien civilizations. In this video, we'll delve into 5 of the most bizarre space signals, each one, unique in its characteristics, has puzzled scientists and sparked debates about its origin and nature. From the mysterious Perytons to the enigmatic fast radio bursts, from the electrifying wow signal to the baffling Lorimer Burst, and finally, the intriguing blue cone signal, we'll explore these cosmic mysteries and attempt to decipher their elusive messages. So buckle up as we dive into the abyss of the unknown, starting with signal number 5. Our journey begins now, into the heart of the cosmic enigma, where the line between the understood and the unexplainable blurs, and where the quest for answers fuels our insatiable curiosity. At number 5, we have the Perytons, signals that had scientists scratching their heads for years. Perytons, named after the mythical creatures that cast the shadow of a man but look like a deer, were first discovered in the late 20th century. These peculiar signals were initially thought to be of extraterrestrial origin due to their striking similarity to fast radio burst FRBs, which are brief, bright pulses of radio emission from distant galaxies. The Perytons, much like their mythical counterparts, were an enigma wrapped in a riddle. They were short, intense bursts of radio signals, each lasting just a few milliseconds. Perytons were a source of confusion among scientists because, unlike other space signals, they didn't come with any time delay that would suggest they were traveling vast intergalactic distances. This led to a lot of head-scratching amongst the scientific community. For years, these signals were a space mystery. Scientists proposed several theories, ranging from atmospheric phenomena to advanced alien civilizations trying to contact us. The mystery of the Perytons kept the scientific world buzzing with excitement and curiosity. However, the truth behind the Perytons was much closer to home. The signals were eventually traced back to Earth itself. It turned out that these signals were not from an advanced civilization in a far-off galaxy, but rather, they were coming from microwave ovens at the Parkes Observatory in Australia. Yes, you heard that right. Microwave ovens, specifically the ones used by the observatory staff during their lunch breaks, were the source of these mysterious signals. When the oven door was opened, prematurely a burst of 2.4 GZ radio waves was released, which the Parkes' radio telescope picked up as Perytons. This revelation was both amusing and enlightening for the scientific community. It showed us that not all mysterious signals are from deep space. Some are just from our lunch being warmed up. So, while Perytons were a false alarm, they taught us that not all signals are from far-off galaxies. Now, let's move on to signal number 4. Coming in at number 4, we have the fast radio bursts, or FRBs, that travel billions of light years to reach us. These elusive signals, first discovered in 2007, have been the subject of intense scientific scrutiny. Imagine a burst of radio waves lasting only a few milliseconds, but releasing as much energy as our sun does in an entire day. That's the power of an FRB. And the journey they undertake is no small feat. These signals travel across the cosmos for billions of years before they finally reach us. FRBs are fascinating, not just because of their immense power, but also due to their mysterious nature. Despite over a decade of research, we still don't know where they come from. Some theories suggest that they could be the result of cataclysmic cosmic events, like the collision of neutron stars or the explosive death of a massive star. But here's where things get interesting. Some scientists propose that these bursts could be artificial, produced by technologically advanced civilizations. It's a tantalizing possibility, isn't it? We're not saying it's aliens, but we're not ruling it out either. Yet, this mystery doesn't end here. Most FRBs are one-off events, but a few have been found to repeat, firing off multiple bursts over time. This adds another layer of intrigue to the puzzle. Why do some FRBs repeat while others don't? Could it be a natural phenomenon, or is it a deliberate pattern? A message, perhaps, from a distant civilization? The search for answers continues. With every new observation, we hope to come closer to understanding these enigmatic signals. And who knows, maybe one day we'll find out that they're not just cosmic noise, but a beacon, a sign of life beyond our planet. FRBs continue to baffle us, but they're not the only signals that have left us puzzled. Next up, signal number 3. At number 3, we have a signal that was so astonishing, it was simply named the WOW signal. This signal, my friends, was a one-off radio signal so unique that it caused the astronomer who discovered it, Dr. Jerry R. Amon, to scribble WOW in the margins of the printout. And that's how it got its name. In the summer of 1977, at Ohio State University's Big Ear radio telescope, the WOW signal was picked up. It was a strong narrowband radio signal, and its frequency was near the hydrogen line, which is significant because it's a frequency scientists speculate might be used for interstellar communication. Now, why was this signal considered a potential sign of alien life? Well, it bore all the hallmarks of an extraterrestrial transmission. It was a narrowband emission, meaning it used a small range of frequencies, which is precisely what you'd expect from an artificial, perhaps alien, source. But here's the kicker. The WOW signal lasted for a full 72 seconds. The full duration Big Ear was capable of observing it, and then it vanished. Despite numerous attempts, it has never been detected again. So where did it come from? That, my friends, is the million-dollar question. The signal source remains unknown. Despite exhaustive efforts to locate it, theories abound, from a passing comet to a previously unknown celestial phenomenon. But none of these theories have been able to conclusively explain the WOW signal. One of the more tantalizing theories is, of course, that it was a transmission from an extraterrestrial intelligence. Could it have been a one-time accidental leakage of an alien broadcast, or perhaps a deliberate message sent our way? We may never know. The WOW signal, with its unique characteristics and unexplained origin, remains one of the most compelling potential signs of alien life. It's a cosmic mystery that continues to intrigue us, a puzzle piece in our ongoing quest to answer the question, are we alone in the universe? The WOW signal certainly left us saying, wow, but wait until you hear about the next signal. Number 2 on our list is the Lorimer Burst, a signal that was dismissed as a glitch until it repeated itself. This intriguing space signal was first picked up in 2007 by astronomer Duncan Lorimer, hence the name. The Lorimer Burst, also known as a fast radio burst or FRB, was unique due to its short duration and broad bandwidth. Initially, the scientific community dismissed the Lorimer Burst as nothing more than a glitch. Its fleeting nature and the lack of any known astronomical source led to skepticism. This perception changed when the same signal pattern revealed itself again, compelling the scientists to take a second look. Upon further investigation, the Lorimer Burst demonstrated characteristics that are inconsistent with any known cosmic source. This repetition challenged our understanding of the universe and sparked new theories about its origin. The Lorimer Burst proves that sometimes we need to give space signals a second chance, but nothing could prepare us for the number one signal on our list. And finally, at number 1, we have the BLC1 Signal, the most recent and perhaps the most intriguing of all. This signal, detected in late 2020 by the Breakthrough Listen project, has stirred up quite a whirlwind in the scientific community. Named after the Breakthrough Listen project and the year of its discovery, the BLC1 Signal is unique for its narrow bandwidth and its apparent proximity to Proxima Centauri, the nearest star to our Sun. Unlike previous signals, BLC1 didn't blink in and out, but remained consistent for a period, adding to its peculiarity. It's this consistency, coupled with its location, that has led many to consider it a significant potential sign of extraterrestrial intelligence. Critics, however, argue that it could simply be a product of human-made interference. But irrespective of its origin, whether the BLC1 signal is a sign of alien life or not, it reminds us that the universe is full of surprises, and we have so much more to discover.